Everything that arises will also pass away. This is the law of nature. When we hold on, we suffer. When we letting go, we are free. Letting go not mean losing what we love, but seeing that clinging brings pain. When we understand impermanence deeply, we live more gently, love more wisely, and meet each moment with gratitude. Namo Buddhaya.